Hi viewers, I am again here with you with a new video on speaking and sound production. What is the mechanism actually? If you like this video, then please do subscribe it, share it and like it. Actually, the mechanism of sound production is concerned with our breathing system. We have two lungs, bronchi, trachea, larynx, epiglottis. When we breathe out actually, then air passes through these tubes, and when we breathe out with some force, then in larynx, this is the structure of larynx, this is epiglottis, these are the laryngeal folds. In normal position they remain closed like this. But when air is passed with force, then these laryngeal folds, they just vibrate and sound is produced. Right? Now I am going to demonstrate you how the sound is produced when these vocal cords or vocal folds, they vibrate. Let me show you. You just imagine this is our lung. This passage is trachea and these folds are larynx. These are larynx. This is larynx, laryngeal folds you can see. So when this air will pass through the laryngeal folds, then these laryngeal folds will vibrate and it results in sound production. Let us see. Just see, vocal cords vibrate and it results in the creation of sound. So, in this way, sound is produced in our larynx. When this sound reaches in our mouth, then with the help of tongue, palate, lips and teeth, we convert this sound into speech. So there is a coordination between all these structures by which the sound which is produced in our larynx is converted into speech. There are some animals who can produce sound, but there is no such coordination. So they just produce sound, but they cannot convert that sound into speech.